The family Mirha, Hussein, mother, and father arrives at the zoo, their day poised for adventure. Hussein, bursting with energy, breaks away, his laughter echoing as he rushes toward the animal exhibits. Mirha clutches tightly to mother's hand, her eyes wide with anticipation as they approach the entrance. As they enter, Mirha purchases a banana from a snack shop, her fingers already peeling the sweet treat. Before Mirha can savor her first bite, a playful monkey swings down, snatching the banana in a swift acrobatic feat as Hussein shouts, "Monkey funny!" And father says, "Looks like the monkey wanted lunch too." Under the sun's gaze, the family gathers before the lion's majestic domain. Young Hussein, emboldened by youthful bravado, unleashes a playful roar. Roar! A mighty roar thunders in response, the lion asserting its regal dominance. Roar! Mirha, impressed, exclaims, "You're braver than I thought." Father smiles, declaring, "The lion is the king, but Hussein is our little prince." At the elephant pond, a family watches as the gentle giants play, their massive forms casting playful shadows. Disaster strikes as Hussein's shoe slips, disappearing into the depths of the pond. A hush falls as a colossal elephant approaches, its massive form moving with surprising grace. With unbelievable tenderness, the elephant retrieves the tiny shoe, offering it back to the awestruck family. "Wow! The elephant saved your shoe, Bai!" Mirha exclaims, her eyes wide with amazement. The mother adds, "Animals also know kindness."
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.